Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be making slime, my favorite. Okay, let's get started. First what you're going to need is some shaving cream, some glue. You can use any glue, but we're using this glue. Some activator, baking soda, and some soap. First what we're going to do is add the glue into the bowl. Here, you can hold it. It's hard. They're so always hard to get out of the bottle. Just hold it still and let it run out. And then you can squish it out. Just pop, pop, pop. This now. Okay. That's not button. There's still a lot in here that we need to try to get out. Okay, now we're gonna add in the shaving cream.
Add this into it.
You should shake it up before you use it so it gets super fluffy. Ooh. And now we're going to add the soap. It's foaming hand soap. You don't have to add it. We're gonna add it to make it extra fluffy and have a smell.
Yeah. It's a really good smell.
You can add any smell you want.
Yeah.
Whoa. Not yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna add more shaving cream.
Whoa.
It's not very fluffy. I need to go to the store and buy more.
Oh.
That looks really weird. Oh my gosh, there's that on me. Ooh, it's coming together already. We haven't even activated it. I'm gonna add some more.
Now it's sticking together.
Okay. Let me see. Ooh, it's like a light violet purple. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like really light violet. It's very pretty. Okay. Hold on, let's see if we can get some more glue. Okay, you hold it. Oh, yeah, I got it all over me too.
I don't know if there's some.
Yeah, there is some right there. Just got back from our trip from Utah. I wanted to stay longer. So sad. Did you add more in? Or did it?
It's not coming out.
Okay, it's okay. Alright, let's start activating. I'm just going to pinch at a time of baking soda to help it not stick to your hands as much. Just a pinch. We're just doing a pinch at a time. You should do like 3 pinches if you're making a big batch like us. Okay, let's turn in. Okay, now we're going to start activating. We're using saline solution. You can also use contact lens solution, or if you have another activator. We usually do 3 drops at a time.
Oh,
You do the drops.
okay.
Ooh, I feel the sweetness. Okay, that's some in. 1, 2, 3. That was only 2. It's already coming together. Okay, that's some in. Okay, it's really coming together. Yeah, it's more. I can almost touch it, but it hasn't cleaned off the sides of the bowl. How you know slime is ready? If it starts to clean off the sides of the bowl. It starts sticking to itself. Okay, that's one in. tried to make a big batch of slime in a plastic bowl. And I was trying to mix it, and I kept breaking the bowl and I can't talk today. Having to keep transfer the bowl, the slime to another bowl. Okay, that's mine. Usually takes a while to activate when you're making big batches.
If you're using a little batch, it's way easier.
This time you can add 4 drops. After it's like starting to activate more and getting really thick, you can start adding more drops. Okay, add more. Okay. Still haven't started cleaning up the sides of the bowl. And we'll come back when it's all done. And now we're just finishing up the last little bit. Okay, add some more. It's like sticking to my spoon. Slime gets so hard to mix. See how it's like cleaned off the bowl? It's supposed to do that when it shows that it's ready.
Okay, that's definitely
Okay, add some more drops just so that it doesn't stick to our hands very much. Because no one likes sticky slime. Put that some more baking soda. My hands are all. We're gonna add a little bit more baking soda to help the stickiness.
Oh.
Whoa. It's so fluffy. I almost dropped it. I'm just gonna put this stuff aside. It's gonna be a little sticky when you first start kneading it, but after a little while, it'll become not sticky. As you see, it's still sticking to my hands a little bit, but it should start like not sticking anymore after like 5 minutes of kneading. I'm just kneading it on the table. See, it's not sticking to me anymore. Well, sort of. And I've always wondered when I've been watching people's YouTube channels, like, is this real? Like, because they always like mix it up and put it in the microwave, and it's like already slime when it was just shampoo and salt. It's like, that's not real. So it's hard to trust some people. Whoa, my gosh, look at that. This is like the stretchiest slime. You can take some.
Okay.
Rip.
What part do I get?
Now it's starting.
I can't grab it. Oh, there you go. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay, just keep moving it. It's not sticking to me very much anymore.
Look! Well, it's not your
Slime likes me.
Well, not me.
Yeah, like sometimes I'll make slime and my brother will say, I want to touch it. And he touches it and it sticks to him, and then I poke it and it doesn't even stick to me.
Yeah, because it wants you. Woohoo.
Alright, let me see it. I'm going to mix that up.
No, I got a lot of stuff.
Oh, it's so fluffy.
It's so
Oh, this is so soft.
It's good.
What to do when you have slime is, to keep it from drying out, is put it in a glass jar. I put mine in it and it actually really works.
What
So cool.
is he?
Ready?
Can I print some bubbles?
I love it when people poke slime, so I'm going to try it.
Oh, this guy doesn't really look good.
It's not very sticky anymore. Ugh. Whoa, that's so cool.
Oh my goodness. Just
I'm obsessed with slime. That's why my mom got me all these slime ingredients. Well, she let me. I bought most of it. Then she got the Celine solution for me. Music to my ears. If you like this slime video, please remember to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you make this slime, I really hope you like it.